Hello everybody, Dave Crasco here with another episode of Crasco's Crash Courses. This is going to be quick because 7 below zero out here. I'm freezing. Today I'm going to show you how to put on a set of tire chains. To some of you, I realize that's child's play. What prompted me to do this was one of my neighbors, a guy I grew up with, came up to me one day and he asked me to help him teach him how to put on tire chains, which really floored me because, you know, we grew up a half mile apart. He said he always had four-wheel drives and never had the need to put tire chains on. Well, obviously I got a four-wheel drive and I always put tire chains on. So we'll get right with it here. I've already put the other side on. I took this one off and just going to put it back on just to show you. So you're going to look at your tire chain and you're going to have two sides to it. You're going to have this big old beastie hook here and you're going to have this small hook. And these are going to vary from whatever brand. These are almost always going to be the same on whatever brand of tire chains you have. These hooks, you want them to the outside of the tire, both, you know, inside and out, outside the tire. But this always goes to the inside, this small hook. And the reason that is because there's very, very low clearance levels back there behind the tire. You got brake lines and stuff like that, or brake lines. And this thing would almost always catch a brake line and cause a breakdown. So this is the one you want to put behind the tire. So we'll throw them on there real quick, and you just throw them over the tire like so. Kind of get some small little adjustments made. Then I'm going to hop in the pickup. I'm going to roll it forward and get this so it's probably right in here somewhere. All right. Hang tight. Be right back. All right. It's cold on these. Can you still see? Can you still hear? Okay. I like to put my hood on at this point when I reach back there because ice and stuff builds up underneath this bed, and you ever had ice drop in the back of your neck? It's colder now. Duh, right? All right. I'm gonna drop one link, hook that in the back, kind of make a little sawing motion. Then you're going to kind of see where that's going to go. That little bend in this hook, if you can see it, will go almost to the third link. I'll try it. If not, I'll just drop another link, but it should almost go if my chain is straight. This is why I like these big deals. That's almost going to be too tight, so I'm going to drop one more link, and I know it will hook this time easily. Okay, there's a little link, an extra link on this chain right here. Put that on. All right, those are a little sloppy. Got these chain tighteners, they're called. If you don't have these, those black rubber tarps or tarp straps will work absolutely fine. I've used them for years. And then just throw them on. You want to use these. You want to make sure and use these because if you don't, you're going to have slack behind the tire, and you're going to open up the possibilities to hooking onto your brake line and ripping your brake line off. So make sure you use these. I ain't gonna lie to you, I oftentimes don't use them, kind of get by. So all right, there you go. That's how you put on a set of tire chains. Like I said, I know some of you that's elementary, others, I hope it helps. Have a grand old day.